Integrated copper cable granulator. Best choice for small-scale recycling business. Why using copper cable recycling machine? In the scrap metal recycling industry, copper is the metal that generates the most revenue for scrap yards. Copper's high ductility, or ability to be formed into wire, makes it valuable in a way that many metals are not. But like so many metals recyclers, end-stage copper that arrives at the yard needs a little work before it's ready to be sold and put back into use. That's where copper wire granulators come in. The working process of the cable granulator is roughly divided into three main parts: 1. Feeding, 2. Shredding, 3. Separation. We are experts in the field of solid waste recycling, especially metal recycling. We can provide a complete set of solutions, including waste cable recycling, waste circuit board recycling, metal and non-metal crushing and sorting, mixed plastic recycling, etc. If you have any need of our machines, feel free to contact Sure Origin Group Machinery.